Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need power and a discoverable device. Start now. First, check each bud. Short white flash or audio tone indicates they can pair. If no case charge is available, gently wake a bud by tapping its force sensor. This conserves battery versus holding a button. Next, on your phone or laptop, enable Bluetooth and open pairing settings so the device is scanning. Once done, hold the active bud close to your device. Make sure to remove any interference sources and keep volume low until pairing finishes. You'll now run the detailed pairing routine. Follow this exactly. Tap and hold a bud's force sensor for about 5-10 seconds until you hear a pairing tone. This is the manual pairing trigger when you don't have the case. Make sure to keep the other bud off or in standby so the device detects the one you want. On your device, choose the Airpods name from the list and confirm. Once the first bud connects, repeat for the second. If needed, disable and re-enable Bluetooth between attempts. Finish by verifying both audio and mic function. Play a stereo test clip and record a short memo so you can hear each side. Adjust left/right balance and accessibility settings if sound favors one bud. This corrects sync and volume differences. Once satisfied, set automatic ear detection and preferred device priority. If you run into disconnects or one bud won't stay connected, try a quick reset strategy. Fully drain the bud until it powers off. Then charge briefly with a Kai pad or lightning dock. Next, repair as before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.